Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the AI Guide, where we're making AI human. What does that mean? It means that we focus on the human impact of AI and the exponential technologies that AI enables. Self-driving cars, factory and warehouse automation, farm automation, 3D printing, and much more. My name is David. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, click those links below. The first link is to my book on Amazon, The Beginner's Guide to AI. It gives a short history of AI and then current impact on 10 different industries, so be sure to check that out. The second link is to a free resource. The resource is free, everything in the resource is free, and you'll learn a lot more about AI than you can in these short videos. Again, thanks so much for tuning in. We have a very, very cool story today, courtesy of Reuters, the news agency. Silicon Valley startup Cerebras Systems, known in the industry for its dinner plate-sized chip made of artificial intelligence work. Let's start that all over again. Silicon Valley startup Cerebras Systems, known in the industry for its dinner plate-sized chip made for artificial intelligence work. And we've talked about this company and that chip before because it's huge. On Monday, unveiled its AI supercomputer called Andromeda, which is now available for commercial use and academic research. Andromeda is built by linking up 16 Cerebras CS2 systems, the company's latest AI computer built around the oversized chip, and that chip is called the Wafer Scale Engine 2. Cerebras said Andromeda can perform 1 exaflop worth of AI computing, or at least 1 quintillion operations per second. That's mind-blowing, based on a precision of 16-bit floating point format. The fastest U.S. supercomputer right now that's capable of doing nuclear weapons simulations, called the Frontier, is at Oak Ridge National Lab in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. They breached the 1 exaflop performance based on 64-bit double precision this year, 2022. The CEO of Cerebras said, "They're a bigger machine. We're not beating them. They cost $600 million to build." Now, we need to think about spending $600 million taxpayer dollars on building a supercomputer to simulate nuclear weapons explosions, but that's a topic for another day. Our computer, the Andromeda, only cost $35 million, said Andrew Feldman, founder and CEO of Cerebras. He said that while complicated nuclear simulations and weather simulations historically have run on 64-bit computers, this is a very expensive format, no kidding, for that computer, right? So researchers are looking into whether AI algorithms can eventually match outcomes on a 16-bit computer. So this is really, first of all, it opens up the market to a lot more groups to use AI supercomputing to run their algorithms. But they're also trying to figure out if this super expensive architecture, 64 double-bit performance is necessary, or if the 16-bit is sufficient. Feldman said Andromeda is owned by Cerebras and built at a high-performance data center in Santa Clara, California, called Culliver. Companies and researchers, including those from U.S. national labs, can access it remotely. So this is very cool, of course, right? This is really cool. This is another breakthrough in computing power for AI. But what does it mean for AI? It means that AI development will speed up quickly at research institutions and AI startups who can't afford or don't want to build their own massive supercomputer. That's what it means. And what does that mean? Well, it means that ever larger AI algorithms can be run on this new computer more affordably than building your own. I'm not going to say it's affordable, but more affordably. And of course, that means that both AI and all the related technologies that are also exponential are going to speed up even more. And all this fits perfectly with what we know about exponential technology, right? That it gets faster and faster and faster with each iteration. And since we here at the AI Guide focus on human impact of AI and the other exponential technologies, then what does this mean for us? It means that all the predictions of job disruption will come more quickly now than previously thought. Why? More computing power, bigger algorithms, faster AI adoption across a wide range of industries, more job displacement. So if you feel that you're an industry subject to automation in the next 5 years, get ready. Click those links below to learn more about AI and how you can prepare for this highly automated future. You really don't want to leave yourself vulnerable here, right? That's just not good planning and being in charge of your own life. You want to take charge of this situation and prepare yourself for an AI and robotics and 3D printing and self-driving future by getting into a field that is less subject to automation. Eventually, virtually all fields will be automated, but there are many that will take much, much, much longer, as long as your working lifetime, so you will be protected. Your kids are a different matter, but you will be protected through your working lifetime, and that's what we here at the AI Guide are focused on, helping you by giving you knowledge, information, and resources to prepare yourself for the disruption that is upon us now. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Take care.